Hello, system programmers. I am Božidar Hinkov, programmer analyst at Kobata Software, and I want to present you the Preprocessor++ and the new methodology for developing new programming languages. Actually, this is the Kobata Preprocessor or Kobata Preprocessor++, or for short Preprocessor++. And now we have C, C++, and preprocessor. I made this presentation in this way. You too can see and hear in parallel the root cause and the necessity to propose the methodology. The C programming language can be used as the lowest level programming language in place of the assembly languages for developing new programming languages. The C preprocessor and the GNU-C compiler can be used for metaprogramming to define the new programming languages. However, the C preprocessor has one limitation here. Its definitions are identifier-based. The new methodology for developing new programming languages proposes to extend the C preprocessor but not to change it, and the new extended preprocessor or preprocessor++ to be part of the new language's programs built to chain as its first and last phase. The technological challenge, the main goal of the methodology. The computer science in a discipline such as automata language is computation, a part of the discrete mathematics. This is our programmers' mathematics. Is too abstract and too theoretical, but because of that, more practical investigation is necessary. With the C programming language as the lowest level programming language, the C preprocessor and the GNU-C compiler, the regular expressions, regexes, are exploited to their limits. The GNU-C compiler provides extensions to the C programming language syntax. Figure 1 shows the Chomsky hierarchy environment. And further, the high-level programming languages are defined by the context-free grammars. Here, the Backus-Naur form is foundational for defining programming languages. But it is too complex, and one can compare it with the Prolog logic programming language. The regular expressions are simpler. They involve and implement even more irregular expressions. With the regexes, we can jump even in the context-sensitive languages and grammars. The regular expressions library, ECMAScript syntax, supported in C++11 standard. The C++ programming language and the GNU-C++ compiler are used for the preprocessor++ development. The rules. No place for politicians, economists, lawyers here. No place for opposition between the C and C++ software engineers here. No place for non-system, non-native, virtual or garbage collecting technologies here. The preprocessor++ implementation. The preprocessor++ parameterizes via definitions file pppdefs.h and operates closely with the preprocessor via definitions file pppextension.h or .hpp. When the preprocessor operates as first phase of the new language program's build process, the first step is to parse the new language definitions from the pppdefs.h file. Then, starting from a file system directory as a root directory, the new language program's project directory, it searches the directory's tree recursively for the new language source files, including the pppextensions.h or .hppp file. If the preprocessor finds the inclusion, it copies the new language source file with the extension .ppp. Next, it applies the new language definitions from pppdefs.h to the original new language source file. When the preprocessor operates as last phase of the new language program's build process, starting from a file system directory as a root directory, the new language program's project directory, it searches the directory's tree recursively for the new language source files with the extension .ppp and restores the original new language source files from them. The preprocessor parses the pppdefs.h file one by one for each new language definition and stores the definition in a vector of tuples of strings. Each tuple contains human-readable search and replace patterns and regis search and replace patterns. The preprocessor applies the new language definitions from the vector of tuples of strings to the original new language source files. Figure 2 shows the preprocessor conceptual algorithm design. When the preprocessor applies the new language definitions from the vector of tuples of strings to the original new language source files, first, the source file content, fcontent, is copied. Second, regis searches code for the copied fcontent with the given definition. And on match, the match position is stored and the necessary changes inside the match are made. Variable or code indentation replacement for the control flow constructions or whole match replacement for the essential features. Third, the match at the stored position inside the original fcontent is replaced with the changed match. One to three steps are repeated for all matches with equal levels of nesting. For example, if we have 2 for nested cycles, the first is with 2 levels of nesting, the second is with 3 levels of nesting. On first, it's executed for the oldest force, the second for the second nested force on both, and finally it is executed for the third nested level of the second for. 4. Regis replaces code for the whole original fcontent with the given definition. One to four steps are repeated 5 times for 5 levels of nesting for the control for constructions. For example, we can have 5 nested fors. 4 step only is executed for the simple definitions. The requirements. It uses for itself and requires for the new programming languages the Oman Pascal indentation style with 4 spaces indentation size, the best indentation style according to the author of this paper. The general requirement is to use regex groups. The parentheses. For each significant object in the search string. The C++ programming language concepts are followed. Refinements. The regex patterns for operator definitions and for boundary checks can be refined with a regex pattern for expression with nested parentheses. However, with each level of nesting, the regex pattern is getting bigger. This is the iterative way. Some regex libraries provide also the recursive way. For example, the Boost C++ library. Here are examples for regexes matching from 1 to 5 levels of nested parentheses and how to test them. The Oman style integration improves the code readability, similar to the Python programming language, and also overrides the necessity of regular expressions matching levels of nested braces by using regexes with irregular extension, namely the back reference \int or number, for example \1, reusing the already matched indentation size. Terms. Pronoun naming in straight direction. The developer names the objects, the preprocessor uses the names, for example in Rage for whoops and in Lambda's implementation. Pronoun naming in reverse direction. The preprocessor names the objects, the developer uses the names. For example, in Lambda's implementation, the preprocessor names the Lambda struct type concatenating underscore Lambda underscore with the Lambda name. Resources and tools. Qt Creator, Community, and LLVM MinGUI for C++ is used for development environment. IDE1.com with GCC 8.3 for C and C++ are used for fast code validation. cppinsights.io expanding C++ code is used for the investigations, development and testing. Godbot.org with GCC 13.3 for C and C++ are used for the investigations, development and testing. The new programming languages are validated with these compilers. The preprocessor licensing. The Cubata preprocessor or the preprocessor its sources, binaries and documentation is uploaded for free and open source usage in Bitbucket. It uses free BSD style header licensing with an additional clause to do not use it for AI, machine learning, etc. with a violation penalty. Conclusion. The preprocessor ++ internal initial release date is 26.11.2024. The time passed till now is around 7 months. The C++11 standard with the essential C++ programming language features is more than 7 years after the previous C++03 standard. The Rust initial release year is 2012. The Swift initial release year is 2014. The duration of development, the quantity of the developed control flow constructions and essential features, the quality of the code for the preprocessor ++ and the new programming languages. Do note that the proposed methodology for developing new programming languages is promising. It uses the C programming language as the lowest level programming language, the C preprocessor and the GNU C compiler for metaprogramming, the C++ programming language for the preprocessor ++ and the regular expressions races exploited to their limits. These investigations and implementations can chart new paths for developing the toolkit used, evolving const expert from C and C++, implementing statement expression, nested functions, and cleanup function attribute from GNU C compiler. Here are the references used. We continue with the code. The preprocessor ++ files are located in ppp directory and are ppp-devs.h and main.cpp, and also in test subdirectory and are ppp-extensions.h and ppp-extensions.hpp. Let's see the definitions file ppp-devs.h, and let's start with the syntax disparity fixes. In C syntax languages such as C# and Java, the array types are defined this way. The brackets are immediately after the type name, but in C and C++ they are after the variable name. Compared with the other type definitions, this is syntax disparity and is fixed. With these definitions, and now we can define the array types as it is in C# and Java, and they will be replaced with the standard C and C++ definitions. Continue with operator definitions. In Swift can be defined new operators, which can be prefix, infix, or postfix, with their precedence and associativity. In C and even C++, the operators can be only redefined or overloaded. With definitions such as this, we can define new operators and use parentheses for precedence and associativity. For example, here we define operator tolerance with symbols plus, slash, minus, which will be replaced with operator tolerance, and to use, for example, T1 plus slash minus T2, and this will be replaced with operator tolerance with parameters T1 and T2. Boundary checks. The C++ programming language concepts are followed, and the definition t dot add with parameter I is replaced with add with parameters t and I, and t dot size is replaced with size with parameter t. These definitions work closely with the preprocessor definitions. For add, it is used the GNU-C compiler extension to C programming language syntax, statement expression. For size, it is used the generic macro. Let's show how with the preprocessor can extend types with methods and type optional, similar to Swift extensions and Rust trait implementations. The C++ programming concepts are followed. We have to look in this definition. And the testing example is placed in underscore main.c file. Here. Let's continue with initial RAI implementation. The C++ programming language concepts for smart pointers, unique pointer are followed, and the definition unique ptr from t ptr is replaced with t pointer unique ptr with parameter ptr. This definition works closely with the preprocessor, and here are the definitions. The GNU-C compiler cleanup function attribute is used. And let's test it. Here the preprocessor plus definition is already applied. We have defined a pointer to int with initial int value of 5, and let's execute the code. Here we print the int value, and here the array concept is activated, and actually we are freeing the pointer. Let's increment this code and to see that the pointer will not be freed because it is already freed. Again, freeing because of this, and not freeing because it is already freed here. The workaround definition fixes a compiler warning with the type of parameters chars to pointers usage by replacing it with just char to pointer. These definitions were the simple definitions. Let's continue with the control flow constructions and essential features, which are processed in main.cpp file in apply ppp des function. Let's continue with if else, switch, and while loop. By analogy to the for loop and following the C++ language concepts, if, switch, and while are extended with control variable definition. Generally, the new language source file is searched to match with for if or for switch or for while, and the match is replaced with scoped control variable definition. For if or switch or while. With switch key hashing, now the switch cases cannot be only integers, but also doubles and even strings. The limitation here is that the values have to be literal values. Here is a proposal how this limitation to be fully implemented. Here in ppp extensions.hpp are defined hashes for char pointer, double, and of course int. The switch of t will be replaced by preprocessor with switch of this hash of t function, and by evolving the const expr feature in C and C++, the literal value limitation can be developed. Here is the example. Actually, this works, but for string, for array of chars. In this case, the switch case values will not be replaced with the string hashes, but with the function underscore hash with parameter the actual string, returning the actual cache. And this working, but for strings, not for doubles, not for C++ strings. For this to work, these functions have to be real const expr functions. Here is okay, but here this function is not const expr, and string length for C++ strings is not const expr function too. Continue with range for OOPS implementation. By using the C4 OOP are implemented range for OOP for quote interval, range for OOP for in place defined array, and range for OOP for already defined array, similar to C++ range for OOPs. But with ability to traverse the array in both directions. Descending and ascending, and also with step greater than 1 and even with function generator. For example, generally the new language source file is searched to match with 4 or this force, and the match is replaced with 4 or this force. The range for OOP for in place defined array implementation fixes inability in C++ range for OOP for C brace enclosed initialization list of pointer to chars to be nested and to be traversed once for the pointer to chars and second to each char in each pointer to char, and it is inability because the range for OOPs in C++ are implemented by using iterators, and because for pointer to chars the iterators are not implemented, error is begin and was not declared in this scope. But with the 4 OOPs for in place defined arrays, this inability is actually possible, fixed. And here is the output. By using local C structs and agnostic compiler extension to C programming language syntax, nested functions are implemented lambda expressions functions. When the lambda function captures variable by value or by reference from the environment, then the defined local C struct contains the corresponding member variable with respective value or pointer type and become initialized with the captured variable value. The C struct contains as first member the function pointer operator function with first member this, and become initialized with the lambda function itself. The lambda function can be recursive, and in this case must be named and be captured itself. The anonymous lambda implementation is not completed. Named lambda and pre-null naming in straight direction by naming lambda starting with underscore could be used as workaround. The C++ programming language concept for lambda expressions functions is followed. The preprocessor ++ operates closely with the preprocessor via the PPP extensions .h file. For example, generally the new language source file is searched to match with, for example, lambda factorial recursive, and the match is replaced with strict definition, and then the lambda is called. System programmers, thank you for your attention.